What? What do you want? What do you want? Hey, stop it. Bad. No. Don't think that you can just get out of everything just because you're cute and you like to lick people. I told you not to beg for my... I told you not to beg for my food, Bella. Stop it. Bad. No. 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 Bad. Hey, I'm trying to talk to you. Stop it. Stop. Hey. You gonna beg for food anymore? Stop it. No, I'm not gonna give you any. This is my hot dog. It's mine. Okay? It's mine. Alright? Now get out. Go on. Get out. Go on. Leave. I don't need you. Alright, fine. Just a little piece of hot dog. That's it. It's only because you're cute. Have a nice day.